How to add member to LLC in Texas. To add a member to an LLC in Texas, start by reviewing your operating agreement to see if it outlines the process for admitting a new member. Most agreements require a vote or written approval from existing members. If you don't have an operating agreement, you can still proceed with member consent, but it's a good idea to create or update one during this process. Next, amend the operating agreement to include the new member's name, ownership percentage, capital contribution, and role. Make sure all current members sign the updated agreement. If adding the new member changes your LLC from a single member to a multi-member structure, you may need to notify the IRS, apply for a new EIN, or update your tax classification. Texas does not require you to file anything with the Secretary of State unless the new member is also becoming a managing member. If that's the case, file Form 424 Certificate of Amendment. To file Form 424 in Texas, go to SOS Direct or download the PDF from the Secretary of State's website. Enter your LLC's current legal name and file number. Leave the name and registered agent sections blank unless you're making changes. In the amendment section, write a simple statement like, "The LLC has added new member's full name as a member effective date. Ownership details are reflected in the amended operating agreement on file." Sign the form with the name and title of a current member or manager. File online or by mail and pay the $150 fee. Finally, update your internal records such as your membership ledger, meeting notes, and bank account access to reflect the new ownership.